Welcome back to another Seek Optics replacement lens video. Today we'll be taking a look at Maui Gym Legacy MJ183. Okay, so with this frame you want to start by going from the back here, and you're going to want to pull out with these fingers a little bit and then push in with the thumbs, just like that. So on this side again, what you want to do is you want to kind of pull out a little bit and push in with the thumbs. There you go. Okay, there you go. You got your lenses out, and then to install the new lenses, what you want to do is you want to go from the front here, grab your lens. You want to start by seating it in the back here a little bit, just kind of get this edge in, and then you want to go to the front and push in this corner, and then push in that corner, and then just make sure that all the edges are seated as well. And then we'll go and do this side. So again, you just want to make sure that you get your lens seated into this up here, and then you're just going to want to push this lens in at the nose, and then you want to push in here. And you should hear a little bit of a click. Just make sure that all your sides are seated, and there you go. You're ready to go with brand new lenses in your frames. So make sure to like and subscribe, and check us out on all of our other social media. You have a wonderful day.